Quite often when working on Tailwind projects, we don't know which screen size is currently here. So this could be some 2XL, and here maybe XL, large, medium, small, XS, but we are not 100% sure which screen size is currently on. So I discovered this really cool component that you can just put inside any of your projects, and you know always exactly what's the width of your screen, the height, and which Tailwind screen size is currently on. The component is really easy to understand, and also you have the link in the description below if you want to copy paste it inside of your project. So what are we doing is we have our use effect where we are getting our dimension from window.innerWidth and window.innerHeight, and we are just updating it on each screen size change. And then here we are just displaying different spans based on our current screen size. So here we are displaying our current width and our current height, and here we are displaying our current Tailwind screen size. And you probably don't want to see this one on your live project, so the solution for that is really easy. You can use your environment file. So here in the layout where you're calling it, or wherever it is, it doesn't have to be in nextjs, but this example is. So here we are calling the screen size component, and we are just going to put like this a simple condition: if our environment variable is development, only then display screen size. And here, as we can see, my environment variable is development, and we are seeing it only on local machine. I hope this was useful to you. If it was, like this video and subscribe for more content like this.